And how do you accelerate?
It's by just putting a pressure wherever you
Whichever
want.
way you want it to go forward, you have to.
Got it. Can you go to that side? Yeah. Nice.
It's on your weight. Wherever you go, you just need to put pressure on that. So it will balance. So, if you want to take a ride, you have to put a pressure on there. If you want to take a lift, you have to put a pressure on it.
What kind of product it is?
See, it's a Segway. Segway, it's with a handle, it's without a handle. It's a hoverboard. So it's by Bird Mobility Company. Bird Board is the product. Okay, and it's like self-balancing thing. You just need to stand on that, put pressure on it, and on your pressure, it will move left and right, forward, backward, wherever you need to go.
And where is it sold in India?
It's like a new product in India, and people are actually liking it. It's a new technology. People usually don't know these kinds of products in Segways and all.
Right. So is this a battery? How much time does it take to charge?
It takes 90 minutes to charge generally, and it goes around 15 to 20 kilometers.
Great. And cost?
Cost is like 50,000.
50,000. Okay.
So
There are discounts available.
And batteries last for like.
Battery lasts for like 6 months is a usually guarantee, but it's like an iPhone, it doesn't.
Lithium ion.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You can take a ride. We'll just